TV on the red carpet. Let's take a look at the highlights of Miss Lebanon 2013. Here I'm standing with one of our special guests. You can please introduce yourself and tell us what your role in tonight's event is.
Ismail from Lee Cooper. We actually sponsored all the Lee Cooper products and all the Lee Cooper designs on the show. And we obviously try to promote Miss Lebanon hopefully, and we try to do a bit more promotions on giving youngsters a new chance.
Well, thank you so much, and I wish you everything of the best.
Now tell me, what was the process to get to where you are today?
Well, we just entered and then rehearsal after rehearsal, eventually we got everything right and this is the end result.
And we've just been rehearsing after rehearsals and it's just been very hectic, but it's been a lovely journey. Such an amazing experience. We're going to change the world.
All these sporty girls.
And I'm the model.
She's my cousin, just like all the libs, you know? All related.
You enjoyed tonight?
Yes.
What have you enjoyed about tonight so far?
Well, when we're on stage and performing, that's the best part.
Ladies and gentlemen, the class of 2013 Miss Lebanon team.
Inside 12th of March 2010, I have been blessed to wear this beautiful crown and carry the title of Miss Teen Lebanon South Africa. And even up till this moment, the nervous excitement and overwhelming happiness that I had felt during the night is still fresh in my memory. It is indeed a remarkable experience for me, an experience that I will forever treasure in my heart. This beautiful experience also gave me the opportunity to represent South Africa in the Miss Lebanon immigrant pageant in our motherland, Lebanon. Not only was I crowned second runner-up, but also gained friends from around the world. These 3 years have been nothing short of amazing. I had the chance of becoming a member of the Marinate Youth Committee, where a group of members organize events in bringing the youth together. Not only did I get to attend these functions, but visiting charities became part of my weekend life. Visiting these homes taught me the importance of giving back to the community and helped me to become a better person. And this is what made my reign more meaningful. Every person, every child, every smile, every hug, every picture will always remind me of this wonderful experience. I would like to express my gratitude to all the priests, especially Father Buddy. A special thank you to Auntie Dolores Basil, Jenny Sannon, Neil Basil, and all the pageant organizers for all their hard work. A big thank you to my sponsors Desh and Chevelle throughout my reign. I could not have done it without our Heavenly Father and the unconditional love, trust and support of my family. Thank you to my parents Mary Ann, Silvano and Sister Daniela for their guidance. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Wishing all the best to the next Miss Teen Lebanon during her reign. Enjoy every moment of it. Ladies and gentlemen, as I walk on the stage now for the final time, it brings back so many memories. My dream became a reality in a space of a split second. The joy from having just heard my name being called, and the feeling of how proud I had just made my family and myself was more satisfying than anything. During my reign of Miss Lebanon, I really became very dedicated and devoted to working with and helping out charities, orphanages and old age homes. I always wanted to become more involved with the youth. My determination to make a difference led to the formation of the youth group I belong to and co-founded with Father Fadi, the Maronite Adults Committee. Winning Miss Lebanon was always more than just having a title, and I think my reign has shown that. I devoted myself to representing Lebanon in South Africa in the best way I knew possible, and that was giving back to the community and bringing the youth together.
Each contestant tonight gets a 9-carat gold medallion presented by Father Badwa. If you can come through, Father, through the front. Father Shankel, our Consul General Mashiliak, and Badwa Abrosi. A big hand for Father Badwa, our Consulate General, Badwa Abrosi, and Father Shankel. A wonderful 9-carat cedar tree medallion is given to each and every one of the contestants tonight. It's a great big thank you from our heads of the church and embassy. But thank you, Anele. Grant, we're going to announce Miss Cedar Lebanon. She's a lady who's raised the most money for the community. And if you can open that envelope and announce that for us. For Miss Cedar 2013 for the amount of 50,000 Rand goes to
Jessica Carroll.
£50,000, no easy feat, let me tell you. A big hand for Jessica Carroll. Your Miss Cedar team, that's the teenager who's raised the most money for this event, and that to the value of 30,000 Rand goes to
Tamia Basil.
hand for Grant. Teen Photogenic 2013 goes to
Jordan Zaki.
well done, Jordan. Photographers have chosen her to be Miss Photogenic Teen 2013. Sharable, if you can announce our Miss Lebanon Photogenic for us, please.
Bianca Beckers.
Bianca Bacchus. The winner of Miss Teen Personality. The winner has been voted amongst the girls from the teen competition, and that goes to
Tiffany Mayer.
who is Miss Personality Miss Lebanon 2013.
This personality is Jessica Karen.
Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and honorary guests. We would like to take this opportunity to thank and give our gratitude and appreciation to everyone here tonight. Thank you to, especially and foremost, our church for giving us the opportunity to enter this competition. We have not just gained an experience of a lifetime, but we have gained a family, the Miss Lebanon family, and we will be treasured forever.
To Uncle Neil and Uncle Clinton, could you please come on stage? We have gifts for you. We would like to say thank you very much for help putting together this prestigious event and for Uncle Clinton for being the MC.
Big hand for Siobhan Anderson, Jenny Sannon, and Dolores Basil. Huge round of applause for what a magnificent show. Neil Basil, director, outstanding. Dolores Basil, choreographer, Jenny and Siobhan. Tons of hard work involved here, really most deserved. A huge round of applause for your director of Miss Lebanon, Neil Basil. New Miss Teen Lebanon 2013 and Miss Lebanon 2013. We're going to begin, and a big thank you to the judges, all of the judges. I can imagine how difficult this was. And we're going to begin with the second princess for Miss Teen Lebanon SA, and that goes to
Kayla Verrett.
Your first princess, Miss Teen Lebanon SA, goes to
Jenny Ashcroft.
We need to find out though who is the second princess for Miss Lebanon South Africa 2013 goes to
Jade Gonzalez.
Well done, Jane Gonzalez. And your first princess for Miss Lebanon South Africa,
Roxanne Gonzalez.
we are going to bring you the new Miss Teen South Africa 2013 goes to
Danielle Carew.
unite the youth into their church, into their community, and I'm sure she's going to do a fantastic job. The judge's decision is final. They've made their decision. They've interviewed all afternoon, each girl after another. It's been a long, grueling day for all the contestants. Well done to you all, and another big well done to Danielle Perry. You have got very big key to step into, really, from Demi Rabula. She's left us proud, and we hope you continue on that path, Danielle. Well done. Right. Get ready for your new Miss Lebanon South Africa 2013 goes to
Tatum
to compete against the rest of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, your new queen, Tatum Mahon.
Congratulations to everyone. You are the winner of the Breaking and Loving Africa. We are family.
Tell me, how do you feel winning first princess and not the title?
I'm very proud. I never thought I would win anything, and I just thank God and my family for all the support.
Would you continue a career in the modeling industry?
Well, maybe to gain confidence, and maybe one day I will be Miss Lebanon.
Well, good luck with that, and I wish you all the best.
My experience was very exciting, yet it was very nerve-wracking, but I enjoyed it all so much.
Tell me, who influenced you from your family in this competition?
My grandmother, Jeanette Benoxy, is my greatest hero. She influenced me and kind of asked me to join, and I said, of course, I would love to do it for her.
Experience of a lifetime, and I'm truly blessed to have been part of this. It was a beautiful production, I think, and it was amazing. I can't put it into words.